What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and today's video gonna learn how to install and activate your Visualmodo WordPress theme, the license key usage guide. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, imagine that you have purchased any theme or product from Visualmodo, for example, one of our memberships, one of our passes, one of the keys, one of the packs, one of the bundles. How to activate it? First thing, you need to go to your Visualmodo website. How to do this? Go to Google, type Visualmodo, hit this first link, visualmodo.com. Review the upper right corner of our screen, there is this little user icon, okay? You're gonna click on it and do your login or create your account if you don't have one, okay? After, you're gonna be able to see this page right here, the dashboard. Once on it, review the option called licenses downloads. If the case that you did not download your products, you're gonna go download it right here, okay, into the license downloads. Click into the download button, it's gonna start up the download for you automatically, okay, nothing to worry. Then all you have to do is install your theme. How? Go to your computer, to the downloads folder. Here's the file that I just have downloaded with all of the Visualmodo themes. Double click on it. Now you have all the themes. Let's extract one of our themes to be installed. For example, the coffee theme. I'm gonna click, drag, and drop to a folder just to extract it, okay? Now, from Coffee Master, I'm gonna double click and locate theme files, coffee. Click and extract or move, drag and drop to another file. And here, this .zip file is the one to be installed on my site. Let's install it, okay? Go to your WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Themes, click on Add Theme. Click into Upload Theme, select File. Select the theme that I would like to download. In my case, it's gonna be Coffee. Click on Install Now. Activate. First thing is to activate the theme license, then you're gonna install the plugins and then you can import the demo content of the theme, okay? Let's start with the activation license. First thing, you need to select the product. What product did I download on visualmodo.com? I downloaded the lifetime membership. So right here, I'm gonna select the lifetime membership, just like this. Then where is my key? Right here on my account, we have license keys. Click on it. Copy your key, go to WordPress, place the key, click on Save Changes. The key is now activated, and with the key you can have download of all of our theme options. Then what else to do? Move back to Welcome and install the plugins. After installing all the plugins, you can import the demo content. Simple, easy, and effective. If you have any question, feel free to contact us. If you are one of the Visualmodo clients, you can contact us from our support section. How to reach support? Once again, on the Visualmodo account, we have Help Center. Click on it. You scroll down to the very bottom, and you have an option, Contact Support. Click on it. Simple as it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to contact us in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to submit a ticket. On yours, you're gonna be able to see a form right here to submit your ticket, okay? And that is. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.